Hi, Pastor Charlie here with New Hope Lutheran Church and Pastor Charlie's Toolbox. So today I really want to get something out of this truck box, but I can't open it up. You know, it's like the tailgate won't open. It's stuck or something, and I can't get this open. I was thinking of using a big pry bar maybe on here, but well, I might do more damage than I want to. So how am I supposed to get into this? I really need to get in here. I really want to get in here. I don't know what I'm going to do if I can't get in here. I'm getting desperate. Okay. Well, let me tell you, the situation I'm in here, it reminds me of the Easter story from Mark 16, 1-8. In that story, Mary and a couple of other women, they were very worried and concerned with how they were going to get into the tomb where Jesus' body had been laid. They wanted to place spices around it so that it wouldn't smell so bad. I mean, that's just how things were done back then. Anyway, they spent their whole trip worrying and wondering and discussing what they would do. You see, a very large stone covered the entranceway to the tomb, so heavy that even together they wouldn't have had the strength to move it. Once they got there, however, they found the tomb was already open. It was already open. They didn't have to do anything. And they were also rather shocked to find even Jesus' body was gone. And that was because he was resurrected. He was back from the dead. This, of course, is what we celebrate at Easter, right? That Jesus beat death, and he showed us it's possible to do so. And because it's Easter, you may notice I'm wearing my liturgically correct white coveralls. The experience of those women has something to tell us. You know that? I mean, how often do we feel like everything in life is up to us? That we have to do everything ourselves as if we have no outside help whatsoever? How often do we beat ourselves up with worry over things we can't do or things we can't get into? How often do we feel completely helpless because if we aren't able to accomplish something on our own, it just doesn't seem like it's going to happen? And this is where the three women in our lesson were at on their way to the tomb. However, as the Easter story shows us, God has a way of taking care of things on our behalf. The resurrection itself was God working on our behalf because we are just so incapable of dealing with the result of our sins on our own. Somebody has to help us. So, if God is looking over us in such magnificent ways, do we really need to worry? Perhaps what we should rather be spending our time and energy on are looking for all the ways God rolls away stones and difficulties for us and provides us with suitable answers to our most pressing worries. Speaking of which, it just occurred to me that in my case here, maybe the answer to my difficulties is to use the key fob. Now, yeah. See? It really isn't that difficult. You're probably wondering, what did I want that was so important from this truck box? My Easter chocolates, of course. Have a blessed Easter.